In the world of exciting manufacturing, is productivity the key to success? Welcome to TCM, your partner for tool management. In our tool management analysis, we discover together with you the full potential of your tool supply. With decades of experience in tool management, we offer you a comprehensive analysis of your situation and a savings potential of up to 25%. We don't just survey the status quo, but work out also opportunities for improvement in the areas of costs, organization, technology, and system. To conclude the analysis, after 2 to 3 days, you will receive from our performance team the assessed optimization potential. TCM offers you a transparent business model that allows you to reduce tooling costs and productivity increase guaranteed for 3 to 5 years. Thanks to automated processes, we provide the tool secure and avoid availability expensive downtimes. The ERP-compatible tool-based software ensures for lean structures and eliminates inefficient work processes. Stock levels are optimized and future ordering processes are automated. The TCM tool experts analyze continuously the top cost tools and develop optimization suggestions. With TCM's tool management, you have not only the tool costs under control, but rather a real partner for increasing productivity in CNC manufacturing.
TCM, Ihr Partner für Werkzeugmanagement und Prozessoptimierung. Garantiert.